This song is called the Classic Rock Retirement Medley. I can't get no firm erections. I can't get no firm erections. And I try, and I try, and I try, and I try. I can't get no firm erections. I can't get no firm erections. When I'm walking in the mall and Bill O'Reilly comes on the radio, says you can't be a man cause you don't use the same incontinence undergarments as me. I can't get no. I just wanna rock and roll till 9:30 and get into a hot bath. I just wanna rock and roll till 9:30-ish. Then watch me eat the press.
Hey, mama, now don't you trip. Gonna tip your walker and break your head. Hey, mama, now you took that spill. Better ask your doctor about monopril.
Out here in Branson, I took my grandson to see that new Neil Diamond tribute. We parked the RV when we saw Kenny G, and that Ray Stevens is a real hoot. Old age wasteland, it's an old age wasteland. Sing along, CR. Wasteland, yeah, yeah, it's an old age wasteland. Since I was in my 60s in the recreation halls of the assisted living centers, I must have played them all. Well, he was pushing 90, but that geezer ruled the show. That deaf, dumb, and blind dude sure plays a mean bingo. Ooh. Hey. Ow, ow, ow. Senile, that's how it goes. Where did I park now? Nobody knows. My doctor, best in the game, but I misplaced his number and I forgot his name. Doing what I can, ginkgo biloba jam. I'm going off the road in the senile van. Bad and plaid, a granddad. When I flick off, my shoulder gets bad, get down and get loose with prune juice. Changes in Medicare are making me mad. If Ronald Reagan were here, he would sort it all out. The giver, he would get us on a better route. Diane Sawyer is down. Yes, ma'am. Good Middle Orchestra is pumping the jams and I'm bad. Yes, I'm bad. Whoa, I'm bad. Yes, I'm bad. Come on. Bad. But I'm bad and plaid. Well, I'm bad in plaid. Origami Shotgun from Tulsa, Oklahoma. Friend us on Facebook and come see us. We'll be a lot better next time. Good night.